It's going to be a lot of work, fellas, believe me, but when it's over, we're going to be all very well compensated.
But who's gonna work the drill?
What do you mean?
I don't know how to work a drill like that.
There's nothing to that.
Who's ever gonna work the drill, I'll tell you now, okay? It's gonna make a lot of noise.
No. Hey, what do you think this is? This is why you get the big dough. We wrap this blanket around it, it's fine.
You gotta know how to work a drill like that. We ain't started yet.
What do you mean you ain't started yet? What are you waiting for, the drilling season?
Hey, do me a favor, go upstairs and bake, will you? I don't need any help. You got it? You better brace me. Okay, brace me.